In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Steam app on your Windows PC. If you're new to Steam, it's a free desktop app from Valve that lets you buy, download, and manage PC games in one place. Let's get it safely from the official source. Open your preferred web browser on Windows, like Edge, Chrome, or Firefox. In the address bar or the search box, type the word Steam and press Enter. You're looking for the official Steam website in the search results. Click the official result for Steam. To double check you're in the right place, look at the web address at the top of your browser. It should be on a steampowered.com domain, which is Steam's legitimate site. Skip any ads or lookalikes that don't match this address. Once the site loads, look toward the upper right corner of the page for the Install Steam button. It's usually highlighted and easy to spot. Click that button to go to the download page. On the download page, click the main Install Steam button again to start downloading the Windows installer. Most browsers will save the file automatically. If you're asked whether to open or save, choose Save so it lands in your Downloads folder. When the download finishes, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Find the installer, typically named steamsetup.exe, and double-click it. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, that's the user account control prompt. Click Yes to continue. The Steam Setup window will appear. Follow the on-screen steps. Pick your language, choose an install location if you want something other than the default, and proceed through the installer. Leaving the default options is perfectly fine for most users. Click e-install and let the setup run. When the installer completes, click Finish. Steam will launch and may immediately download updates. That's normal. Just let it complete before doing anything else. After the update, Steam will open to its sign-in screen, ready for you to log in or create an account later. And that's it. Your Windows PC now has the Steam app installed. If the Install Steam button isn't visible on the website, try maximizing your browser window or scrolling to the top right. If your browser blocks the download, allow it for this file, since it's coming from the official site. With Steam installed, you're set to manage your game library, download titles, and keep everything updated from one place. Thanks for watching and enjoy your gaming setup.